Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm starting the Python playlist from basic. And before this, I have completed SQL and Power BI on my YouTube channel. Along with that, I have also completed one Power BI project from the basic and two are in queue. See, this Python playlist is most awaited playlist. Everybody was requesting start the Python as soon as possible. So I thought first I'll start the Python and parallelly I'll complete two more projects on Power BI. Python programming for all. This is for everyone who ever want to learn the Python programming. Doesn't matter you are from coding background, non-coding background, technical, non-technical. Just follow my playlist, code with me, and I believe that one day you will able to code in Python. And I also have a belief that if I can code, anyone can code in Python. So let's see in this video, we will see and what are the topic I'm going to cover in the Python playlist. So let's get started. So first we'll install all the IDE and other software required to code in Python. It's VS Code, Jupyter, Anaconda, and whatever is required, we will install that. Then we'll understand what is Python and why it is required in nowadays to understand and learn. I will write first program in Python. We understand the interpreter, IDE, and compiler. How Python code execute, we will understand in detail. In the second module, we will understand the variable and data types, different type of use of the print function, taking user input, typecasting, arithmetical operation, comparison, and logical function. Conditional statement like if, elif, else, loop, and loop control like break, continue, and pass. In the section 3, we'll understand the string, different type of a string and its method and formatting. We'll understand the other data type like list, tuple, set, and dictionary, how to define, how to manipulate, how to do slicing, and other thing. In the next section, we will understand the file handling, right? How to read the file, how to create the file. We'll understand in detail OS module, and we'll also understand the how to create the CSV file, how to save into our local or any other place. In the next section, we'll understand about the function, user-defined function, how to call the function, how to define the function, we'll understand what is lambda function, we'll understand the modules and packages, we'll understand the built-in modules like math, random, and date time. In section 6, we will understand the error handling and logging and its type, try, except, block, finally, and else clause, and custom exceptions. In the section 7, we will understand the OOPS concept, object-oriented programming like class, object, constructor, instance, class variable, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, and magical method like underscore str and underscore len. So we'll understand these kind of magical methods in the OOPS concept. Section 8, we'll understand the advanced Python concept like list comprehension, generator, iterator, decorators, closure, recursion, regular expression, that is regex, working with date and times, args, and kw args. In section 9, we'll understand the EDA module of the Python, and that is more important in data science and data analytics. That is PANDAS, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Coupling. In the next section, section 10, we'll understand Python with database and cloud. We'll understand MySQL connection, CRUD operation with relational database, PyMongo connection, CRUD operation with non-relational database, Python with AWS, Trino connection, and CRUD operation is optional. If time permits, we will cover. Otherwise, it will not get covered. Section 11. I have kept some miscellaneous count. Let's say Git and GitHub. This is also important to know the CI, continuous integration. Like if you are writing some code, how to push that code in our remote repo from our VS Code. So we'll understand that. We'll understand modular coding. We'll understand the fast API and stream. These are the important topics. If anything required, I will add in this list as well. So if you think anything I have missed out, please comment and let me know. I'll try to cover that as well. So thank you so much for this video. These are the topic I'm going to cover in my Python playlist, and I believe that if you follow my playlist, you will be pro in Python and practice along with me. Thank you so much. Let's connect in the next video of Python.